You have 20 baht?
Yeah.
I know exactly what to do with that 20 baht.
What? How much?
I have no clue. Shit, which one do we want to buy?
The bird.
Are you sure? What if they have like a disease or something?
I don't know. How much?
Yeah, how much a bird? 100 for 4 birds? So if I give you 100, we get all the birds? Oh, just one.
50.
Yeah, 50? Okay.
Bird gang. Yo, we just copped up on some birds.
Bro, once you open it, I'm telling you that them shits is flying off.
Oh. Okay. Yep. Alright.
We just got fucking scammed, bro. We're out of this, John, bro. Fuck, we're dead ass the method. Holy
Method, bro. Actually, the method. How the fuck you get scammed like that, bro?
I'm actually so tight, you don't understand.
What? You
I wanted a fucking bird, bro.